Hello everyone, in this video I am going to tell Bhagavad Gita shloka number 7.9. In the previous shloka, Lord Krishna told Arjuna that he is the taste of water, the light of the sun and the moon, the syllable Om in the Vedic mantras, the sound in ether and ability in man. Let us begin with this shloka. पुण्यो गन्धः पृथिव्यां च तेजश्चास्मि विभावसौ जीवनं सर्वभूतेषु तपश्चास्मि तपस्विषु. पुण्यः original, gandhah fragrance, prithivyam in the earth, cha also, tejah heat, cha also, asmi I am, vibhavasau in the fire, Jivadam, life, Sarva, in all, Bhuteshu, living entities, Tapaha, penance, Cha, also, Asmi, I am, Tapasvishu, in those who practice penance. The whole meaning is, I am the original fragrance of the earth, and I am the heat and fire. I am the life of all that lives, and I am the penances of all ascetics. Punya means that which is not decomposed. Punya is original. Everything in the material world has a certain flavor or fragrance, as the flavor and fragrance in a flower, or in the earth, in water, in fire, in air, etc. The uncontaminated flavor, the original flavor which permeates everything, is Krishna. Similarly, everything has a particular original taste, and this taste can be changed by mixture of chemicals. So everything original has some smell, some fragrance, some taste. Vibhavasa means fire. Without fire we cannot cook, we cannot run factories, we cannot cook, etc. And that fire is Krishna. The heat and the fire is also Krishna. According to Vedic medicine, indigestion is due to a low temperature in the belly. So even for digestion, fire is needed. In Krishna consciousness, we become aware that earth, water, fire, air and every active principle, all chemicals and all material elements are due to Krishna. The duration of a man's life is also due to Krishna. Therefore, by the grace of Krishna, a man can prolong his life or diminish it. And Krishna is also the penance of all the people who practice penance. So Krishna consciousness is active in every sphere. Thank you for watching, and I will tell the next shloka in the next video.